Well, hello. So today I'll show you the steps like how you can set a contact as your emergency bypass contact. And what do I mean by emergency bypass contact? So like it's a feature in iOS like which allows a contact, like let it be your any contact, so that they can call you. Like even though your phone is in silent mode or whether it is in DND mode, it doesn't matter. It will ring you no matter what's the case, provided the fact that your phone is not on airplane mode and you have some kind of signal coming to your smartphone. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video then. Like first let me just share my phone screen so that you can see what I'm saying. So as you can see my phone screen, so what you need to do is open dialer, choose any contact, like any contact. For my case, like I'm selecting the police one. So what you need to do is press edit, scroll down until you see this ringtone option, press on it. Then as you can see, emergency bypass allows sounds and vibration from this person even when the ring is switched to ring switch is set to silent or when a focus is on. So enable this switch and press done, then press again done over here. Then as you can see, just below this number option you can see ringtone emergency bypass is on. So like now whenever police or like whenever any contact will try to contact me, so no matter what, like whether my phone is in silent mode or not, or whether my phone is in DND or not, like it doesn't matter. If the ring will go through, like that person will able to ring my phone. So yes, this is how you can set a contact so that you can so that they can contact you, like they can ring you no matter the case. And if you want to revert back to so like if you want to revert back to the setting, then what you need to do is then again go to contact, then ringtone, turn off this switch, then press done and again press done. So yes, that's how you can do, like that's how you can easily switch on and switch back off this emergency bypass contact. So this emergency bypass ringtone is very much useful. Like if you keep your phone always on your silent mode or always on your DND mode, then you definitely want your parents, that is your mom and dad's phone call to come to your phone, because you don't want to miss their phone calls. Otherwise you never know, like when a flying chapel is coming at you. So you never know when this happens. So you should always turn emergency bypass ringtone on your parents number. So yes, this is all about like how you can enable emergency bypass on your iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, do give it a like and share it with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.